So we're going to go through further now into customizing it. So the next thing you're going to want to do then is you're going to go back to our dashboard again. And what we're going to do now is install some of the recommended plugins that are used to make this work, that are used for this theme. So you're going to go to Appearance, and then you're going to go About Hestia here, and it'll have two little notifications, and you'll see why in a moment. So you're going to hit there, About Hestia, and what I want you to do is go to Recommended Actions, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hit Install and Activate the theme aisle companion. And then what you're going to do also is install Pirate Forms. So put that in for me, and that's going to be helping with creating our really nice looking contact form. Okay, so now let's have a look back at our website and see what those two plugins have helped with. So if you go back here and hit Visit Site, and if I scroll down for you guys, as you can see, it's starting to look a lot nicer. We've got our testimonials section now. We've got our About, and then we've got the blog there. And look now, we've got that really nice looking contact form.